The Infrastructure Resource Management feature in Visp allows users to manage and monitor their infrastructure and inventory resources. This is a brief video, so let's get started. First, you log in to the Visp web app and locate the IRM icon. From the left sidebar navigation, click the IRM icon, and this opens the Infrastructure Resource Management page. If you don't see the Infrastructure Resource Management or the display looks different, you might be using an older legacy version of the system. In this case, please send an email to success@visp.net to ensure that you have the latest version of the IRM. And that wraps up our guide on accessing the IRM system in Visp. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to your Visp client success team. We're always happy to help.